Hey guys, tech enthusiast here, and in this video we have a comparison between Redmi K40 Pro with Snapdragon 888 and Redmi K20 Pro with Snapdragon 855 in Antutu benchmark. And if you are enjoying the content so far, subscribe to the channel will be much appreciated, and also watch till the end of the video so you can hear my conclusion if it is worth upgrading or not. And with all that being said, let's continue with a benchmark. So, in conclusion, first off, I should mention that both phones aren't actually running stock Android from the factory. Redmi K40 Pro is on Xiaomi EU ROM, while Redmi K20 Pro is on AOSP Evolution X ROM, and both are on Android 11. I should also mention that I got Redmi K20 Pro, or here in Europe they call it Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro, for about 360 euros. Or for you my American friends, $433. and Redmi K40 Pro, which I got from Trading Shenzhen, link in video description, for about 477 euros or about $573. We can also see here in Excel sheet that Redmi K40 Pro scored 787,699 points in Antutu benchmark. Meanwhile, Redmi K20 Pro on the other side 469,893 points. And also, these high temperatures on Redmi K40 Pro, which is 44 Celsius, in Antutu CPU stress test, are probably because of high clocks of the CPU itself. So there is still the main question on the table. Should you upgrade your Redmi K20 Pro to the Redmi K40 Pro? I think not, because Redmi K20 Pro is running just fine in 2021, and for a 2-year-old phone, it holds up really great, and especially the pop-up camera is really unique piece of hardware, and manufacturers should be ashamed that they aren't producing phones with pop-up camera anymore. Meanwhile, Redmi K40 Pro is a great phone, don't get me wrong there. 120Hz display is noticeable, and size of display is also bigger with punch hole camera. Just in my opinion, it isn't really worth the upgrade from the Redmi K20 Pro. And with all that being said, thank you all for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you want to see more of these tests, please let me know in the comments down below. And with all that being said, I see you all in the next video. Peace.